guys, welcome back to my video. We're just gonna jump right in and get your tapioca flour. We're gonna have a half cup of this, and I didn't know if tapioca flour and starch was the same thing, so I just got like extra starch, and now I just have like hella starch in my kitchen. Now I know. And we're going to take a matcha powder, 1 tablespoon of this, put it in the bowl, just kind of mix it together, make sure like it's all smooth and stuff, you know, really get in there. Oops, that's a little off, there we go. After you're done getting in there, take a pot to kind of boil some ingredients next. Fourth cup of water and some dark brown sugar, but I don't have dark brown sugar, so I use honey, and I thought it works the same. It's just sugar anyway, right? Pour that boiling hot mixture into the bowl. I was kind of worried about this at first because I was like, is it gonna melt the plastic away? But it's fine. And mix it together again. This is gonna be the dough that you're gonna be like rolling and stuff. So, oh. Literally, this is like the worst time for my camera to fall over because I have my doughy hands. They can't do anything.
Kind of embarrassing, but gotta do what you gotta do.
You also just kind of gotta knead it a lot. You know, slap it a little bit if it's not cooperating with you, and it should work after. And it's gonna look like Play-Doh low-key. Honestly, like this was kind of fun because like I just like play with it for a little bit, and you roll it into like a log, like a thick one, like a thicky one, and then cut it into 4 parts like this. This shit was sticky. If it's sticky, you should put some tapioca starch on it to make it a little less sticky. And roll it into even smaller logs. And you're gonna cut them in half. And then cut them into little squares that are about like a centimeter, I think. These were so cute. I don't know why. Did they look cute? I low-key just wanted to eat them already, like, but you shouldn't do that. This part like took the longest because I was like, oh my god, I have to make so many. But it was still fun. If you have someone to help you, that'd be like even cooler. This is where I started to go a little mental, as you can see. Alright, when you're done, you can put them in a bowl, put some tapioca starch on it to prevent it from sticking to each other. And they're gonna look like this. Okay. Nice. Put it in some boiling water to cook that for about 15 minutes. Oh, they look so cute. They look like little babies, honestly. Mix it like once in a while to make sure it's all good. It should start to look like this soon. take a strainer and pour it into an ice bath. They be looking like fish eggs or something. Alright, we're gonna move on to the next step. So again, they use dark brown sugar, but I use some honey. And put that in a pot. And with your cold boba, put some water in there. And we're gonna cook that for around 10 minutes. Oh my god! It looks like boba even more now. I'm excited. Okay, they look kind of deformed, but you know, it doesn't matter. All that matters is the taste. Okay. And for this next part is gonna be for the matcha syrup. We're gonna put some matcha and some hot water. Just kind of whisk it together. The boba is ready. Let it cool down, set it aside. Go ahead and put it in a cup. As much boba as you desire. I usually like a lot of boba in my drink. Put some ice on the top. You can put how much ever you want. I don't like putting too much or it gets watered down later. I usually ask for like less ice in stores. And onto the milk. You just kind of fill it up a little bit, not all the way. And put some honey. This is actual honey this time, okay? Like, they actually use honey. Next, you're gonna pour your matcha. You can add more matcha if you want it to be stronger. I added just a little bit more. Look at the aesthetics. The aesthetics. I forgot to take a picture of this, so this is all I have. Also, I thought this would be like somehow aesthetic to film it like this, but it was not, clearly. Okay, we're gonna try this. I taste the matcha and the boba, and in the milk too. I mean, it's a good combo.
Yummy.
The boba is sweet. Like for that.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of honey.
It's honey boba, so. I think this boba kind of tastes like tasty matcha boba, or like close to it, which is good. So I really recommend this recipe. So the hardest part was just like rolling all the balls. It just took a long time, but like once you get used to it, it's not that bad. So yeah, enjoy.